Well, hello everyone. So, welcome back. And the first command we'll be showing you guys today is the dir command. What the dir command does is that it will give us the list of the directories and files inside a directory. So, in a sense, it is very similar to ls command. So, let me demonstrate. So, as we are in the home directory, it will give us the directories inside the home directory. Now, if I go to tutorial and do dir, so it will give us the directories and the text file, which is animal. So moving on, we have the command find. Let me go back to the home directory. So what does find do? The find command will help us list the directories and subdirectories inside another directory. So in a sense, it is very similar to ls star, but in ls star it will give us the entire basically a tree structure of the directories inside it. So let me demonstrate. Let me do find tutorial, and you will see that it will show us everything inside the tutorial directory, while in if we do ls star, we will only see the one stage after that directory. So for example, if directory a has a directory b which has and the directory b has inside it a directory c, so if we do ls star, we will be able to see the directory a and the directory b, but we will not be able to see the directory c. But in case of find, we will be able to see the directory c as well. So here you can see that in tutorial we have the US directory, the France directory, and inside the France directory there are files such as F9, F8, M8, F7, and if Mexico has a directory such as green, and inside the green there is a directory called scenery, and so on. So basically we are providing the path to the file or directory after we write find. So for example, if we write find tutorial and Mexico, so here it is. So okay, that was my mistake again. So let me do find root and then tutorial and then Mexico. And as I do that, we will be able to see all the directories inside Mexico. So you can see there is green, and inside the green there is a directory named scenery and fanta and so on, and there is inside the Mexico there is a directory food and football. So moving forward, we have the directory the command, which is htop. What is htop? The htop command will help us see all the ongoing processes in our system. So if we do htop and press enter, we will see the processes that are ongoing in our system. So as you can see, we are the root user here, and this is the process that is ongoing right now. Basically it will if we run any commands, it will also show us the commands such as as you can see there is htop right here, and there are several other processes which are ongoing in our system, so it is getting pushed downwards. But still, you can always see all the commands here and the processes that are ongoing. You can also scroll down and scroll up, so that what sets it apart from the command top. So top and htop is quite similar, but in htop you can scroll down and scroll up, and to quit this you have to type q. Now the next command is history. So history will show us a list of the commands which we previously ran in this very day. So as you can see, I have run 182 commands on my laptop today, and it will show us the commands from 167 to 182, what commands I have run so far. So it is a very fun command, and actually you can, if we are able to forget what we had done previously, we can run the history command, and we can see all the commands we have run previously prior to this command. So moving on, we have the command known as kill. So as you all can see, I have opened up my xfce terminal. So what I'll be doing here is I will execute top command, and we can see here that the xfce for terminal is running. So I will type q and then I will write kill, and the number attached to the same the process. So the number attached to the xfce for terminal is 13821. So as I write kill 13821 and press enter, so the xfce4 terminal is gone, and now you can see we are back to our main terminal. So that's how kill will basically help us. It will help us basically deleting not deleting, basically kill an operation or process. So if we do not want any operation, or we want that operation to stop, we can type kill and the number attached to that operation. So the next command I will be showing you guys is the ifconfig. It is probably one of the most important commands in Linux, and using this we can see our private IP address. So inet here will should give us our private IP address, our netmask address, and this inet6 will give us our IPv6 address. So but the IPv6 address is truly not in use as much as now, but the IPv4 address is almost recognizable for by everybody, and the inet will give us that address. You in here you can see our loopback address, that is 127.0.0.1, and the netmask again. So using this we can see our private IP addresses, and we can also use that information to configure network interfaces. So I'm hopeful that these info will help you in the future, and I'll be excited to see you in the next session. Thank you.